Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, brown color, yellow ochre color, red color, black color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first draw 1. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll. And use yellow color. The alphabets of D. Kids, again use yellow color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for glass. And use brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids, again use brown color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion. And use yellow ochre color. Kids, now draw M. M for moon, M for monkey. And use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen. And again use black color. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rat. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, letter U. U for umbrella. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw V. V for van. Kids, letter W. W for wolf. Kids, letter X. X for X-ray. And use brown color. Brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids, letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids, letter numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow ochre color. O N E 1. 2. T W O 2. Kids, letter 3. T H R W E 3. Kids, letter 4. The numbers of 4. And use red color. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids, again use red color and draw 6. S I X 6. Kids, letter 7. The numbers of 7. And use black color. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. Kids, letter 9. N I N E 9. Kids, again use black color and draw 10. T E and 10. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.